If you want to permanently delete your Yahoo Mail account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. Before you begin, make sure you understand that deleting your account is permanent, and once it's gone, you may lose access to your emails, contacts, and any services connected to that Yahoo account. So if there's anything important you want to save, back it up first. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and account management guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account on your browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page and click on your profile icon. This is usually where Yahoo keeps your account settings and personal options. After you click Profile, a menu should appear. From there, select Manage Account. This will take you into your Yahoo account settings area, where you can control security, privacy, and account preferences. Next, look for Privacy Controls and click on it. Yahoo places the account deletion option inside the privacy section, so this is the area you need to access to continue. Once the privacy settings open, look for the option that says Delete your Yahoo account. When you find it, select it carefully because this is the step that starts the permanent deletion process. Yahoo will usually show a warning or confirmation page explaining what happens when you delete the account. Take a moment to read it so you understand exactly what you're about to do. When you're ready, click Continue Delete My Account. This tells Yahoo that you want to proceed to the final confirmation stage. At this point, Yahoo will ask you to verify your identity. You'll need to type your Yahoo Mail address and password into the required fields. This is an important security step to make sure nobody else can delete your account without permission. After you enter your login details, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. Then click Yes, delete this account. Once you confirm this, Yahoo will begin the account deletion process. Depending on the current Yahoo policy, your account may enter a deactivation or waiting period before being fully removed. So make sure you don't log back in if you want the deletion to go through completely. After the process is complete, your Yahoo Mail account will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to use it again the same way. That's why it's a good idea to cancel any subscriptions, update your recovery email on other accounts, and save any important messages before doing this. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Yahoo Mail account permanently. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.